Hello my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. There is a brand new thing on CoinGecko that has been introduced to the public, and that one is not other than Tokenomics. Tokenomics, actually it's a package. It packages everything that you'd like to see right from the market cap and the rest, and they give it to you in a simplified way. So for us today, we are going to use Cardano coin, which is ranked number 9, and we see how we can understand all the things of Cardano. So the first thing that you should expect in the tokenomics, when they are packaging these things, they package dependingly. Sometimes you can find in a tokenomics of a certain coin only circulating supply, the total supply, and the maximum supply. Some of them you will find all of these ones right from the market cap, 24-hour trading volume, diluted valuation, and the rest. So this is how you will understand all these things and use them when you're making research. So the first thing that you should expect in tokenomics, it is the market cap. This is the total amount of money that is invested in this very coin or any other coin. So the 24-hour trading volume, this is the amount of money that has been traded in 24-hour trading volume or in a day. The fully diluted valuation, this is the valuation of the coin. So it measures the market cap when the coins are issued, and to get it you have to get the sum of maximum supply times price. That's how you can get the fully diluted valuation. So when you want the circulating supply, these are the amount of coins that are in circulation as of current or are used in public. So the total supply, these are the coins that are in circulation but minus those ones which were banned. In banning or banning in crypto, it means the removing of coins from the total coins made and removed permanently. So when they remove coins permanently, of course we remain with the total supply. So the maximum supply, these are the coins that are supposed to be in circulation for that specific coin. They will never add anything once that like this amount reaches. Once they reach that one, they start to use only that one, no more adding. So that's how everything moves on. And there is a lot of things more than these ones that can be found in a token mix. So in simple terms, this is how it is allocated and how a token mix it is packaged. So you can see that the 30% are in staking rewards. When people staked, they only took 30% in rewards, and all of them right now they are holding them in rewards. And the team as of current, it is having 11.5 of the whole coins that were made. So this is the allocation actually of ADA. So 57.6 it were used in ICO or initial coin offering. Initial coin offering, more so when a coin is starting or when a business is starting, they tend to give you in large quantity. They can say that maybe when you give us this one, we give you a package of this amount of coins or any other business. It can be also in shares, it can be, but they use it when they are promoting a business or in coin. So in coin, they can say, for example, for the first time when I heard about Bitcoin, so they were offering more than 100 BTCs and you pay 200 US dollars. So as of current, as it goes up in price, that's how it is becoming right now. So that's how it happens in all coins. They first sell in packages. So I hope you have understood me, guys. Another thing that you have to understand when it comes to tokenomics, the other supply schedule. This one is staking rewards less banned. So the team and the token sale, you can see how they are in the graph. So this is how you can understand. You can see that this one is the staking reward and this one it is for the team. This one is the token sale. The whole amount, every person who got it might be in buying. That's all where you can fall. So that's how it is, the token mix. The funding arounds of Cardano. You can find them here. The amount of money 2.6 was raised in public sale. You can see from 2015 this was the average price. So you can see everything that you would like to see in that tokenomics. So that's all the information that you would like to see. That will show you the initial coin launch date for Cardano is 29 September 2017. That will show you the maximum supply of this token. It is also here. Inflationary emission rate, they will also show you, and everything that you would like to see also. So if you are interested in any other thing, still you can track and see everything in this very tokenomics thing on CoinGecko. So you can come and use any other coin of your interest if at all you want to see their tokenomics. Hope you have understood me, guys. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Don't forget to share and like. Bye for today. Good luck.